Good morning. It's nearly 6 o'clock. Sunrise is in 10 minutes, and I'm here this morning to meet someone to do a bird survey, to set a baseline for what birds we've got here, where they live in the wood, and yeah, just find out a bit more. There'll be a few visits, but the reason I'm videoing right now is look at that sunrise. So, well, the sunrise is just going to be over there, but the colour of the sky, absolutely stunning. Okay, just a quick one. I'll probably do more later and see what the results are, but it should be exciting. So you can hear everything waking up. Have a good day.